In this video I will show you how to add spotlight effect in Photoshop. Create a new layer. Change the blending option overlay. Go to rectangular marquee tool. Select these area. Go to gradient tool. Click to edit the gradient. Now we will click on its left side and set its opacity to 0. Press OK. Now we will drag from top to bottom. Right-click and choose Perspective. Then adjust the gradient like this to make the spotlight. After you finish, go to Filter menu, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Follow these settings and press OK. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.